case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Vermont Supreme Court has sent back for a new trial a case of an employee who slipped and fell at her workplace and sued her company's cleaning service for negligence, given the intriguing twists in the case. Jean Smedberg tripped at work that led to a spinal injury, causing her to undergo surgery. She sued Detlef's Custodial Service Inc., or DCS, the company responsible for maintaining the cleanliness of her workplace, for negligence. The company counter-argued that there was no negligence on their part. The jury found DCS liable, but also deemed Smedberg 50% responsible. Thus, she was awarded damages for medical expenses and lost wages, but the amount was reduced by half due to her part in the accident. Surprisingly, she was awarded $0 for pain and suffering. Feeling that the verdict was unsupported by the evidence, Smedberg appealed, particularly against the $0 granted for her pain and suffering. DCS, on the other hand, cross-appealed, asserting that the court erred in denying their motions and that they should not be considered Smedberg's statutory employer. They appealed against the trial court's awarding of prejudgment interest, proposing a rule to limit it to cases with a known sum of money. Looking at the appeals, the Vermont Supreme Court decided that a new trial was necessary due to the presence of inconsistencies in the verdict and the inexplicably low amount for pain and suffering. A critical point clarified by the court led to the unfavorable ruling for DCS. According to Vermont law, an employer can be a company that hires independent contractors to perform work potentially done by their own staff. But in this case, DCS was ruled out as Smedberg's statutory employer. While the jury's previous verdict on negligence and awards for lost wages and medical expenses were upheld, the court ruled that the trial court's decision to grant prejudgment interest right on target. Prejudgment interest, under Vermont law, can be granted at the trial court's discretion to ensure the plaintiff is fully compensated, especially when damages can be easily determined at the time of the incident. Given the significant rulings in Smedberg's inexplicable pain and suffering award, the case returns for a complete retrial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.